here, rain or shine.
Rain or shine. Mike, man, what's up?
Derek.
Derek, nice to meet you. Man.
Your name?
Carlos, brother.
Awesome.
I saw this video so many times.
That's awesome, bro.
Drove so long.
The rain came, no rain.
Dude, it was just teasing us. Literally, the rain just came.
Yeah.
We got 1130 126.
Spin, 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 bro.
Spin cycle, bro. We got a box from Team No Team, one of the guys. Locomotive, Pink Widow, Carbon K, rice cooker, and of course, smoke. Then we got underneath the tray here. Look at that! Look at that! It's called Unhinged Labs. The guys who did it for us. So we gotta put a shout out for them. Check it out though, what do you guys think? Started, ran fine, but I don't know.
When did you drop it off the trailer? After the shootout?
Yep. When we dropped it off for the shootout. We dropped it off the trailer.
Oh, you dropped it? You dropped the Widow off the trailer?
She's the soldier.
You know what I mean?
She's also the fallen Pink Widow. She's one of the fallen.
One of the fallen.
So, do you want to explain to everyone what's going on? Why we're taking a fuel pump out the day
Alright.
before we're supposed to be at the track?
Alright guys, another video right now. We have a race tomorrow at the track because it finally opened back up, and the Widow has half the fuel pressure that it usually should have. It's about 30, 25 PSI. We think it's a fuel pump. We hope it still runs, but if we try to take a launch in this, it'll probably blow up.
Well, we don't want to risk it, right? With 30 PSI of fuel pressure?
Yeah, we don't want to risk it.
Like,
Well, 30 pounds of boost and 30 PSI.
well, no, we're not going there. I'm just saying even in general, like, just running it at 30 PSI, we don't know where the tune's at.
It's true.
See, look what's
Grown
going
man,
on
there's
here.
a
Can
grown-
you show this?
There's a grown man.
Somebody whose man is this?
Somebody take a look at this.
Whose man is this?
Oh, don't forget to smash that like button
Yeah.
before, in the beginning. A lot of you
course,
turn
yeah.
off the video after
Sure.
10
forget
minutes.
about us.
But please like, it helps the channel. If you always want to help out the channel,
Gang, gang.
hit that like. But anyway, Chris is checking and making sure the fuel pump is good.
Let's see what we got.
Let me get out of this car because it really smells. Is this the line? What do you think it is?
Yeah, the Lion
What?
filter. What's up? What's up? What? Oh, splitting the line?
That, my friends, right there will cost you a motor.
Doing surgery on the pump.
Yeah, you can see the slit right here.
Slit. Ooh, that would have been game over.
Right? Yeah, it's good. Now I just gotta jump it.
Now, let's see if it jumps. Let's see if it's good. Let me see the fuel pressure at least.
Fuel pressure. That's one.
Yeah, no more
Sounds
fluttering.
good in here.
Yeah.
That's what she's supposed to sound like.
Back to 45? Yeah, we're good. It runs! Ooh. Always works. Is it me or does it look like it's like imbalanced? But it looks like the right side is higher than the left. Is it because you dropped it off the trailer? You dropped it off that end?
No, it fell straight back onto the gas tanks.
Like on the ground?
Yeah. No, on the hitch. I mean, not hitch. On the back of the trailer. So it like rolled off the trailer and then just boop.
We're prepping her now. We're getting some new duct tape, Gorilla tape.
Nice and sticky.
Nice and sticky.
I'm trying not to.
There's good chances at this point.
There's a good chance.
It's way too hot right now. We're gonna have to wait until it's 9 o'clock. But even at 9 o'clock, it's like supposedly gonna be like 95 degrees.
I don't even care about your negativity. Just finish your job.
This thing hasn't been driven
It's been waiting.
since Bakersfield.
Yeah, it's been waiting, bro.
And,
She's waiting now.
What did we do? Fix the fuel line last night.
Yep.
Now we're fixing the steering wheel and tape on the roof.
Six skinnies on her. And we're gonna send send it. We're gonna try.
Like you've been saying since day one, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna try to put as much boost as we can. We haven't been able to really like legit blow her up. Like,
Well, tonight?
well, either she blows or she goes.
Yeah, so you know, we gotta have snacks.
Snacks. We got a long ways to wait.
Always come prepared to the
Anyway, guys, hit that like button. We brought the Pink Widow back out here. Me and Chris, go ahead, Chris, eating. They hate it when you eat with chips. This is the day. This is the day. First day, it's been open for about 4 months.
And it's 100 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's like 100 something degrees. 100 something degrees, about 3,000 something elevation.
Horrible elevation. Horrible air.
Hey, but if
right
you
now.
can hit 10s here, you can hit 10s anywhere on sea level, Cali, Florida. So we're gonna take it out. Yeah? Y'all's gotta wear pants.
It's not like.
Gotta give it all she's got. Gotta give it all she's got.
Get.
What are we at? Are we at full send or not?
Yeah.
We are. So just go or what?
Just go, bro.
Testing.
Hell no, bro. We don't know what we got, bro.
We're not one pass testing it. We're gonna go ham sandwich.
Well,
Yeah.
Ham sandwiches.
I didn't know. I thought you wanted to.
Nah, let's just do it. Cause we don't know, man. I mean, let's just do it. Do a full hit. I just want to make sure the boost is up there, but maybe is.
Matter, yeah.
This is what Carlo does before every pass. He just shifts.
Just checking the gears, man.
You gotta just get the feel for it, you know what I mean? Just randomly shifting, car's not on or anything.
No, it's the best way. It's no stress.
Right? Giving our buddy a tour right here. He wanted to check out the Widow, he saw it online.
It's like badass.
So, you see where the key is? Show the key. It's that flathead screwdriver connected with that wire on the right. See it? You see it?
Yeah.
No, show it. Where is it? You see it? No, it's on the right. Hanging on the dash.
Oh my.
That's the key.
You.
And you just prime it. Turn it.
It turned. It just doesn't.
Oh, you don't have to stuff it in there, bro.
No, I know. It's not in there.
Oh, it's not going?
I'm not mean. I'm not mean like that. I just don't want to.
Do I gotta show you how to do it? Hold on. I think you were mean to it. Hold on.
I wasn't mean to it.
What did you do?
I broke it.
That's hilarious. Did you break it? No. Of course you couldn't.
Told you I didn't do that.
Chris, come here.
What happened?
So
Why
we
you
got-
look like you got bad news?
We got bad news.
What?
The Widow, the key won't turn now.
Well, that's because of you, bro.
I told you.
Hey,
Carlos
I got
like.
tools in the truck. I'll grab that shit, take the ignition key out, thing, little cylinder.
Okay, well.
Okay.
Let me light. Is it locked now?
Yeah. It is now.
Shit.
I'll turn the key out.
Did you, man?
Well, I don't know, Chris, because even if you get tools, I'm going to have to
Nice
pop
set.
the steering.
Yeah, but we can somehow.
I feel so
Try to
bad.
figure out how.
Can't take it off.
Huh?
Can't take it off.
Oh, no?
No, that's the whole point of fucking having a key for a car. You can't steal it. You can't take it off. So you break the steering and take the pop off the little pill and turn it on. But if this doesn't break, we ain't
moving.
getting nowhere.
Don't hurt yourself. She's doing that hold method. Dang, son. I hope we have a good, big, strong screwdriver.
Jesus Christ.
The Widow's like, no.
Trying to kill him.
Anybody call a locksmith? I got you guys. So I'll have to start it, and then I'm gonna see if I can figure out
You just gotta break
break
it, bro.
this column piece off right here so the lock goes off once I bring the pull.
But we can break it together, Chris.
Yeah, I know. Once I bring that shit.
We are family.
got that back.
Yeah.
Oh, we got that back?
Yeah, but that's riveted, dog. So I don't know.
I know. That's why it's made out of what's it called?
It is cast.
Yeah, it's cast, so we should be.
Don't break the steering wheel.
Yeah, we need that. Alright.
I want you to help me yank this bitch. Ready?
No, we're ready to start.
Oh, yeah, so
It's locked though. This is locked. You're just moving this a little bit. Ready? There you go.
damn.
It's scary. Oh, we broke it.
What?
No steering.
Really?
It broke the bolt loose on the inside.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Just look, it's locked again.
No. Oh yeah, you're spinning the whole fucking thing.
There's no way I can get it off unless I have a trigger or something.
Yeah.
Watch your leg, fool.
I need leverage to pull it. Like I need to do this. But
Got a hammer?
Yeah, that. Come on, baby.
You want to use? What about the? You gonna step on it? Watch out, Chris. Come on, baby.
There you go. Got it. Got it.
You got it?
Yep. Got
Shit,
it.
Carlos.
Woo!
Shit.
Carlos.
You can believe this.
Let's see that.
You gotta
My-
unplug that here.
my
let me
man.
Take your time, dude. We're good. We're good
Need
now.
light?
No, we're good.
Oh shit.
You sweating?
Dude. You had a good spot. That was a good idea. Maybe I was fucking. Carlos always got a good idea.
That's what I said.
See if it works.
Shit.
Oh!
Thank God. Thank God.
Woo!
Can it turn?
Alright, man.
Now we got it making.
God.
Yeah, this shit is like out of here.
We're gonna get so hated on, clowned on the internet. It took us.
I know everybody's like amateurs.
We can shut it off now. We're good.
What a f***ing miss.
I was like, man, this is that new. Yeah, you guys ever had a?
This thing.
I know you guys ever had to steal your own car at the
Right,
track?
right,
Try to
never.
get it to start.
Never. I bet you nobody has ever had that issue.
I had to record that full session.
Yeah, if you had that issue, please, what do you call it, grieve with us? Let us know what happened.
Comment
to
down below if you ever had to steal your car.
Dude, man. I thought we were done.
I know. I was
They
like,
did. I was like, no, dude. I saw it in your face, too, when you were like, yo, come back. I'm like, you didn't even come and get me? You sent somebody to come and get me? I know something's wrong. This isn't good.
Cause I was fiddling with it. I was like, what? The pins fell back in or what? We got about good 15 minutes here, just hanging out,
Just cooling the car down.
just cooling the car down.
Just chilling.
Still with the jacket on,
Sweating my ass off.
right?
Oh, dude. Please.
Wearing a jacket.
Wearing a jacket at this temperature. Look at it.
Pants.
With pants.
With pants, and he has shorts under there.
And a helmet.
And you got shorts underneath. Jesus.
Right. You're like a 13? Huh?
Do I think it was the gas?
It was the gas, right? As soon as you took off, it did it.
What? I go get the gas. I go get the juice. Something's wrong. Okay, so it hit 32 pounds in second. then let's see what it does. And you hit 35 pounds.
35?
35 pounds
Yeah.
of boost. That's why I boost cut 35. Oh my gosh.
So the motor's done, is what you're saying.
Well, I don't know. What do you think?
Turn the key.
Why is it creeping that high?
There's no more passes. That's it.
Oh, it's that.
Yeah, it's over. It's close. That was the last one. That was the last one.
Dude, that thing was creeping, bro. Look at it. This is his pass. Boost cut 35.
I was trying, bro.
I know you were trying, brother.
Trying,
I know you were trying,
I
bro.
was trying, bro.
Bro, you only went like 80 miles an hour.
I know. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's not that.
You want to do a compression check? 35 pounds. That's awesome. I didn't know it was possible. Oh, I don't know. You think so?
Yeah, I know. It's always We're done, man.
We're done.
I don't know. I feel like she just doesn't want to go tense.
I know, bro.
Like she's fighting us so much.
The whole
See what we went through to get it to go down the track again?
I know, bro.
Do it.
So, Carlos feels defeated.
Yeah, I mean, she beat my ass. She doesn't want anything to do with me tonight. She keeps bucking like a wild horse. We're gonna call it quits. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we'll pull her out again if we can figure out the kinks. If not,
No, we'll just turn up the boost cut to 40 pounds.
well,
No
it's
more
more
fuel.
than that because it doesn't have fuel, so we can't even go up there.
We're gonna try to do
So as soon as we hit 30 pounds of boost, we're maxed out on our injectors too. So it's kind of one of those dead end things. Because she hit the 10s, yeah. Does she want to? No. So
Jeez,
that's
35
kind of where
pounds.
we're at.
That's the most boost.
With 35 pounds, dude, there's no way she wouldn't have hit the 10, but she just won't react. She won't. She's
I wanna see if it-
turn the boost cut off.
Well,
But then it was like, it's no fuel. It's like,
yeah, there's nothing
oh.
there to blow up.
I'm surprised, dude. We gotta do a compression test on this thing. 35 pounds.
Oh, it felt like it too.
Oh, did it?
Oh yeah.
That's
30
why.
at least.
That's why I like glimpsed of it. I was like, whoa! And
Second
then,
gear. Second gear, when I slammed on it, she got up and went. I was like,
Gear now is not.
oh shit, okay.